Hey, welcome everyone to another episode of Enjoy Tech or J to the Low, whichever channel that you're watching. Recorded both the same. I think at some point I'll slowly transition from one to another, but let's see how it goes. Today I am unboxing this thing that I picked up from drumroll. No, I'm just kidding. From Harvey Norman. This is. Let's open up this Prezi. A bit late to the party, but all good. It is. Look at the packaging. Woohoo! The Mac Mini. Mac. Mac. Money Mac. Money. Cool. Alright. So this is just unboxing. Look at the. Wow, this is a hardcore box. Wow. The design. Look at the intricate design, and wow, the cushion. I'm super impressed with the design. Alright. So done with my comment about the design of the box packaging for each mini. I'm going to unbox this. Alright, so where should I go? Do I do this one? Tear this one apart. Ooh, hearing that. Let's see if I can do one side. Oh, darn it, I can't do one side. Can I? Nope. Alright. So just to let you hear this sound. Ooh, satisfying? Maybe. Alright, so just unbox it. Look at that feeling of the box. Alright, but let me check whether if I got. Look at this. Look at the hard case, it's so good. Wow, it's pretty hefty. It's almost as heavy as my MacBook Pro, really. The M1 Pro. So let me see if this is Mac Mini M4 Pro 24 gig 512 SSD. So this is the base M4 Pro model. Alright, so yep, okay. Anything in there? I mean, you probably have seen many unboxing. This is just all the manual stuff. I believe there's no more sticker. Anything below that? Nope, I can't figure it out, but that's cool. Alright, putting in there. Can I return the sticker? Sorry, I'll just throw away this sticker. Alright, so unboxing. Let's see if I can keep that paper. Okay. Alright. Nice. Very nice. My next step will be, once I've done a few recordings, I will get the Final Cut and Audio Logic and so on. But anyhow, I'll put it there and remove this power braided cable. The reason why I put it back is because when I usually resell them, whoever buy things from me, tech stuff, they literally know that it's pretty much like brand new. Alright. Okay, let me put this back. So look at that. Wow, so small vent. Yep, the famous power button at the bottom. I got something from AliExpress once they arrived. It's like a clip here, the power button, you just press on the top. Let's see if that works. So what you get from here, this is just a base model of M4 Pro. 2-pin socket, just a normal Ethernet port, HDMI, 3 USB-C Thunderbolt, 2 USB-C, and the jack and power light and the vent. So I think that's pretty much it. And nice braided power cable. I'm not sure if I use a regular 2-pin power cable, will that work? I don't know, maybe I'll just use it anyway. Alright, so thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe and ding the notification. I'm not being sponsored, so everything that I got is use my own money, and this will be used for my mini production that I would like to do. Hopefully in the new year that will come into play. So alright, thank you for watching. Do share, and if you want to sponsor me, please do DM me. Alright, have a great day. I'll see you the next one. Peace.